USA. No kingdoms, no castle, no regal razzle-dazzle. Don't tread on us, don't you dare, we are everywhere. No kings in the USA. No kings, no freaking way. No kings in the USA. No kings, no way. Kings we do not obey. No king, that's what we say. Everybody hates American kings. Nobody voted for any such thing. We hate kings, we hate bullies. We revolt against royal wannabes. No kings in the USA. American kings are not okay. No kings in the USA. No kings, that's what we say. No kingdoms, no castle, no regal razzle-dazzle. Don't tread on us, don't you dare, we are everywhere. No kings in the USA. No kings, no freaking way. Shout it out now. Come on, let me hear you. Shout it out. 1, 2, 3. Everybody hates American kings. Nobody voted for any such thing. We hate kings. We hate bullies. We revolt against the royal wannabes. No kings in the USA. American kings are not okay. No kings in the USA. No kings, that's what we say. No kingdoms, no castle, no regal razzle-dazzle. Don't tread on us, don't you dare, we are everywhere. No kings in the USA. No kings, no freaking way. Let's shout it out, let the whole world hear. We the American people will not tolerate a king. We will stand strong against any such thing. Oh yeah. Americans are standing up against the abuse. We have done it before, we'll do it again. We hate tyranny. We fought a revolution to be free. To be free of abuse. To be free of tyranny. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let them hear it. Shout it out. Everybody hates American kings. Nobody voted for any such thing. We hate kings. We hate bullies. We revolt against the royal wannabes. No kings in the USA. American kings are not okay. No kings in the USA. No kings, that's what we say. No kingdoms, no castle, no regal razzle-dazzle. Don't tread on us, don't you dare, we are everywhere. No kings in the USA. No kings, no freaking way. No kings. No kings in the USA. children.